Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know that was like the lamest intro ever. The fire alarm went off again.
It's like
In the entire building. The entire building. That was... Look, there's Kaya. Ready? Come over here. Ready? 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 Wait. Oh, I can't see a cat in there. But look, there's a cat right there. Oh, that's Finn, I believe. See? Ta-da.
go show them that there's flashing lights and stuff.
Oh yeah, let's go this way.
Can they not hear like shouldn't I tell your mom?
Hey Mom. Me and Brennan are gonna walk over.
I know, but they don't do fire drills.
Okay?
Yeah, when the alarm shuts off, come back in.
Okay. Yeah.
I'd have been mad so mad if like we crossed this line and it shut off.
Yeah. I had to grab my phone.
I feel like the alarm's actually
Yeah.
really loud. But I don't really wake
It's
up.
so damn loud.
I
That
don't
freaking alarm.
I don't wake up much, but
I'm not sure if it even woke me up. I honestly...
you'll hear more.
No, it didn't wake me up because I thought it was in my dream. So I just kept it because I was partially
I was
asleep,
sleeping.
partially
My
not.
sister woke me up.
Your sister had to wake you up?
Yeah.
It's funny. Yeah. See? It's off now.
See, I told you.
I knew that it was going to end up turning off the second we got over here.
Let's just walk around.
You cold?
A bit.
Oh, God, that light is so bright. And it's going back off. Oh, and it's off again. Fire truck. Oh, and it's going back off again. Oh, and now it's off.
How the hell are you filming?
That's fine.
Dude, I was just about to get on the Xbox and spend $50 more. I didn't get to see the new skin. I was just about to finish up sleeping. You were sleeping? Yeah, I got to school.
Is it gonna go off again?
I don't have to go to school. I'm leaving.
Okay, let's stand here for a couple more minutes.
I'm not going to school tomorrow because I don't feel like
Can
it.
I just say, none of you realize how bad I'm going to pee myself.
Then you gotta bring it up.
Yeah, like I can't hold it.
I think the alarm's off now. It's gone off like 10 times.
I know, but we can't go in until they say so.
Ugh.
What even is happening?
Who knows? Well, Mike did tell us to go back around.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna post it.
I don't care. What? Dowie's intro is here. No one
This freaking
No, it's here right now. Dowie's intro.
alarm goes off
It's
like
a
literally. Okay, how often does this alarm go off?
Once a year, probably.
Oh,
Like
once a month.
every month?
Oh.
Like once every month?
You're never here for it. It's like once a month.
that's
Literally, every single time you're not here, that alarm goes off.
Why did you in that building?
I feel like
Literally, the alarm wasn't even going
that
off.
alarm did not even go off on that one. That alarm did not go off in that building right there.
You never know. You never know.
It's just because the fire alarms are old, so they go off every now and then.
For no reason.
Yeah, my mom's house. If you're taking a shower, or sometimes even a really hot tub, like if you don't
It was steam up, yeah.
and then also because so whoever built the place put a fire detector, like a smoke detector right outside the bathroom. So all that steam would go out, it would think it's smoke, and then the fire alarm goes off, thinking the steam is smoke.
That's
And everyone comes out.
stupid.
5 minutes later, all the firefighters say that everything's good.
And it was just freaking steam.
I think it's funny.
I know, we started talking to Hoyt. Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't stop with the stop not having it. Is it off for good now?
I mean, it's a good way to blind people.
Yeah.
I think they opened it in here. Like tape a brick to the horn so it's just always on.
We've been on here for 30 minutes now.
Really?
It's 30
It's almost 10
Holy
o'clock.
crap.
Yeah, it's almost 10.
Oh wow.
We're getting ready to leave though.
Yeah, I would expect them to leave like 5 minutes ago.
More like
I'm
10.
just waiting for my mom to get the key back. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I feel like it's a different day. Like I
How
remember.
gangster that girl is. She's just touching it.
He's just like, I don't care about this.
I'm not allowed to be doing that.
Yay.
One guy already put his oxygen tank in there. So.
Yeah.
But again, out of what, the 5 that are here, is there only one truck?
Okay, ready? Ready?
Dude, do you have your Xbox now?
No.
How come I got a friend request from you?
No.
You!
Remember that out?
Yes! Like, on my dad's account, I got a friend request from you again. Literally, it said 2 hours ago, and that was like 3 days ago.
Wait.
So it wasn't before.
If it wasn't me,
It said,
you think my mom could have given away my Xbox?
no, because how would they know it? How would they just instantly friend somebody that's not even on your friends list?
I don't know, but they're in that apartment, so they just turned on that light, and
Okay, so ready, Hoyt? This day's going great. I got into a fight today.
I'm 100% sure the numbers were the same.
But
I
I'm not.
was supposed to go to a fight.
But I
at,
didn't punch
the-
anybody.
I was supposed
You
to go
guys-
to a fight at the park
Didn't feel like punching.
because my two friends are fighting. Or
Where?
who could be like the leader of their gang?
Did you
or
even
clan.
get hurt at all?
Oh,
My elbow killed me, and Ian
they
choked me to death.
They were,
Until I came over and shoved
Yeah.
him off.
oh,
And then that's when everyone started to fight.
And then that's when people just jumped on me.
that's when I bought Fortnite skins.
Honestly, I bet you.
I saved the world now.
I bet you while we were over there, you were
I was
off
downloading Fortnite.
yeah, you're doing that. You probably were. I bet you that.
Yeah, because that's all I do. I was streaming. That's why I was streaming.
Oh, I
was
had.
supposed to go to a fight at the park because it was my friend
My dad's still inside, I think.
to go over like the gay leader of the
Now
club.
I had
And
to.
I don't know what happened. I'm gonna find out sometime. I don't know.
Now,
I'm gonna see if my friend was.
I'm had
Fighting here.
added Isaiah on Snapchat a while ago.
And
then because of what happened, I blocked him.
No, Tyler's just the one that causes everything.
He is, but Isaiah didn't have to
That's
do
where
anything
Ian
either.
gets all the stuff from.
I know, but Isaiah didn't have to do anything.
Yeah.
Isaiah could have just sat there.
Hey, you guys.
Hey guys, it's Jen.
Same thing with Tyler.
Hey, you guys.
I don't like people.
Hello, people.
I
Okay.
feel like I'm the youngest one here. Oh wait, I am.
Oh yeah, that's right. You are.
Because what, you're on 6th grade, right? And what, you're 7th?
I'm in 7th, going to 8th.
I'm
Woohoo!
in 6, going to 7.
And I won't be going to the step
Oh,
up
and
dance
six.
next year.
Huh?
I won't be going to do the step up dance in
Yeah,
8th
because
grade.
you can't go.
Yeah,
Oh,
but we do have. There's an end of year 8th grade celebration thing.
Orange dusters. I want to see my shadow.
Is he?
The hell are you doing?
I just bought it. Last time it came out.
Which one is better?
One of them really probably broke my elbow now. Like,
Hey guys, just do a little dip.
Wait. Do it again. The popcorn thing.
You're so old, Emo. That was like 40 days ago. Get recent.
I don't know any of these new ones.
There might be new ones in the item shop right now. I'm missing. I am missing. I've been waiting for 2 hours for these items.
I'm missing Fortnite.
Sir, there might be a new skin out. That's why I bought $50.
I could have bought 4 wins already.
Sir, I have a lot more wins than you do in Fortnite.
This is I don't even play.
Oh! Oh, get rich!
Oh, there's a person in that car.
Oh, there's a person in that car. My shoulder is literally blocking the window.
Did you put Elliot in your on the back? No.
When you put Ellie in, no. You're doing a live stream on you just doing all this. You get 1 million likes.
Stop
All of a sudden
turning
you
on my
put
camera.
Allie Control 1 million dislikes and then 0 likes.
You just
That's
die.
what's gonna happen, okay?
You just die a little.
No, all you need. Elliot intro.
You're not even on better than Allie.
I don't even know who that is.
Allie, all of his wins are probably just because he just probably like sits there. He probably ran himself. That's probably what he does, okay? So he lands at
Wait,
the
this
end.
is what he does, ready?
He plays duos. All of his wins are in duos, okay?
No, this is what he does, ready?
They're right off the map. and
Okay,
then that's
so
just
ready?
when they do all of them.
Ready?
No, ready?
I was
he
playing-
goes like this in solo, ready?
I was playing with my friend. I was playing at my friend's house.
Over
With,
at
I was
mine.
playing Fortnite at my friend's house, right?
I
So,
have a fully maxed out Omega. I don't know if you guys
I
know that
had
information.
flown
Because
or
I'm
glide
lost.
down, whatever
Because
it's
I'm
called,
good at the game.
to a spot, right? There was
killed
not,
man.
there
I'm
was
just
not
level
a single
70.
guy in sight. I got to
I'm a level 4
fourth
Omega.
place,
What you have? You have nothing.
and I had like
I'm level
4
0,
kills,
bro.
and then I died.
level
I got 0
level
minute
64.
play.
Like Nickelodeon.
Nick.
Nickelodeon.
Who lives in a pineapple?
SpongeBob SquarePants. Dude, I look like a freaking
The
devil.
longest dab, guys. Guys, watch out. Ah!
No.
Ah! Why am I doing splits?
I can go lower, but I'm wearing socks.
I'm wearing sandals, so as soon as I let go, it's just gonna slip.
Yeah, I'm wearing socks, so my
Socks have more grip than sandals.
exactly they're too grippy.
No, they're too slippery.
Yeah. What do you guys want to do? I'm just gonna sit here.
Yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. So good one.